everyone. Today on Hello Susan, I want to share a happy mail that I received, and this is from Terre Sexton. When I did the launch of the Garden Fairy digital kit that I designed, she reached out to me and said, I've got some pictures of some more fairies I'd like to send you. So I said, okay. So I gave her my address, and then she sent me an email and said, well, I added a little bit more in the box. So thank you so much, Terry. You've been one of my first friends that I made on YouTube, and I really cherish your friendship. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through this. This is the pages that she sent me, and this is the fairies that I'm using in this journal. Isn't that cute? I just love them. This artist is so great. I don't have that one, so I'm very happy to get that one. And these are larger than the ones that I have. I don't have that one either. So these are going to come in so handy, Terry. Thank you so much. It's going to make my journal even better because you're going to be part of it. Oh, I don't have that one either. Okay, well that's the pages that she sent me. She also sent me some music paper, and it's very old. You can tell because of the color. Well, let's see if it has a date on it anywhere. 1958. That is pretty old. That's the Can, Dream of Love, Butterflies and Bees. Let's see what else I can see in here. Oh, that's cool. What year is this one from? 1948 for that one. Isn't that interesting? Okay, so now let's look at the other goodies that she sent me. She included this doily, which is so super cute. Not too sure what I'm going to do with everything. I do know I'm definitely using this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Pink butterflies, and they've got sequins on them and silver thread so it glistens. I'm pretty sure that I will be cutting them out and using them individually, but isn't that a treasure? I have never seen that before. I love that. Okay, and here's a handkerchief. And wait when I get finished with this, because Terry also designs digitals, and she sent me her Patriotic Days digitals to show you. So I want to show you that. Okay, look at this. Isn't that cute? That's going to look so cute in this journal. And here's another one. I am doing pinks and blues and greens. Oh, and I've got to grab the cover so I can show you what I've done so far. And then here's some lace. She kind of had it all wrapped up, hidden inside here. This is going to be awesome to use. A curtain. And then here's some purple trim and embroidered scarf. Just love it. And some purple fabric. That's got a little bit of gold and butterflies. That's interesting. Here's some yellow and some orange. All of this is going to be great for fairies. You know, I've got this one that I'm doing now, and then I'm going to do another one because I already designed that kit, and that's called Fairyland. But then I'm going to design another one, so I'm going to have a trilogy. Oh, that's pretty. And then here's some upholstery type fabric. That'd be great for the cover. And then here's a little skirt, or some ruffles off of a skirt. Isn't that fantastic? Okay, let me get her papers real quick so you can see how beautiful they are. She's so talented. And she's on Payhip just like I am. Let me scoot in. She's on Payhip just like I am. Isn't this fantastic? I just love it. It's kind of a pastel version. And all the flowers up here. And the kids. That looks maybe like that's a butterfly back there. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? The curtains. Look at the background. It just really makes you in the mood for the 4th of July. Makes you feel so proud. And here's some more kids. And a grandma. The colors are so vibrant. Terry, you did such a great job. Wow, this is awesome. Look at that. That's fantastic. Off we go into the wild blue yonder. I love it. This is pretty. Get you some journaling space here. Look at those boots. Of course, I think of Texas when I see those boots. Oh, this is pretty. That's very cool. And she's got lines on there. So cute. Well, look. Oh, this has a yellow background and that has a blue background. Okay. Aw. Stars bursting in air. That is fantastic, Terry. Thanks so much for including that in the Happy Mail. I sure appreciate that. So her website is Terres Paper Treasures, and it's on payhip.com. I will put a link in the description box in case you want to get these papers. She's got them on sale right now because I guess it's getting close to the 4th of July. But this is a great one for you to make up. Well, that's it for me today. So thanks so much for joining me. See you next time. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. I wanted to show you the cover so far. So here's the front. Am I too close? I better go back out. Okay. So here's the front. And I put those glitter butterflies on. And I've got one more that I want to put here. I just haven't got it in there yet. And you see the 3 little fairies. And then this is the spine. And here's the back. And this is all you need is a little faith, trust, and a little pixie dust. And this is one of the glitter butterflies we did together. And that's the bird that we did together. See how gorgeous it is? I love it. Okay, and if you want to see inside, this is what I've done so far. That's the 2 signatures, and that's the inside. All right, well, definitely that's it for me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.